Good day, friends. Welcome to our first class today. I'm your teacher, Evangelist Edu. In today's topic, we have the part 3 of nouns. We've done with part 1, we've done with part 2, and today we're bringing it to an end with part 3 of that. And here we have plural equals singular plus s. When you get your singular and you want to make it plural, they are telling us here to do what? To add s, period. And now here they gave us some examples of the words here. And he said, une école. This is une maison. This is un garçon. This is un cahier. This is un enfant. And here on the plural side, we have this one as des écoles. Des écoles. That is une école, des écoles. Une maison, des maisons. Un garçon, des garçons. Un cahier, des cahiers. Un enfant, des enfants. We take it again. Une école, des écoles. Une maison, des maisons. Un garçon, des garçons. Un cahier, des cahiers. Un enfant, des enfants. Now, under here, they said, but un tableau, des tableaux. Now, here, down here, the thing changed. And they said the plurals of noun ending with EAU. All you need to do is what? Get your singular and make a plus of what? X. You get it done. Now let's have some words here. They said un tableau, des tableaux. Remember from our former classes when we discuss or when we talk on morphemes, they said that some letters at the end, you want to make your pronunciation very correct, are not pronounced. So these are one of them. Now they said the tableau. That means the letter you add on this tableau to make it plural remains what? Silent. So we are sounding it as if you are sounding it on the singular side. Only what will now show us that you're talking about plural is by the time you make mention of what? There. That is this DES. So you said un tableau, des tableaux. The second one says un cadeau, des cadeaux. The letter you use to make it plural remains silent. Then here they said un drapeau, des drapeaux. Un drapeau, des drapeaux. Don't say un drapeau, des drapeaux. No, that is wrong. Some people say like that. But the correct form of saying it is what? Un drapeau, des drapeaux. This one alone have shown us that you are talking about plural side of what? Drapeau. That is, it is no more one you're talking about. You're talking about many. There's more than one. Here's what? Un cadeau is what? Des cadeaux. Forget about the X. Here they said un tableau. The plural side is what? Des tableaux. Forget the X. Now coming to this side, it says un enfant, des enfants. Remember in our morphemes, they told us that when S is between two vowels, the sound of that S becomes what is. So that is why these ones are sounding like this in some of them. That's what they said un enfant, des enfants. You don't say des enfants. No. Some are saying like that, but it's wrong. So you say what? Un enfant, des enfants. Now, un cahier, des cahiers. You see the differences now? Un cahier, des cahiers. Now, the sound of this and this are not the same thing. This one says des enfants. This one says what? Des cahiers. All the letters that you use to make it plural remain silent. Now this one says what? Un garçon. Now here it says what? Des garçons. You don't say des garçons. No. Forget all this S. Forget all this S. Sound it as if you are sounding it in singular sign. So, des garçons. Then une maison is what? Des maisons. Une maison, des maisons. Now again we have une école, des écoles. Une école, des écoles. Because here is E and E. S is in between. So you turn it immediately if you followed our former class, talking about morphemes. So you remember, always have it in mind. That you change this one to what is C. There's a call. So let's take it again before we leave. Alright, let's take it again before we leave. We said, on a call, a school. There's a call, the schools. Une maison, a house. Des maisons, the houses. Un garçon, a boy. Des garçons, the boys. Un cahier, a book. Des cahiers, the books. Un enfant, a child. Des enfants, the children. And so we have them here. Un tableau, a board. A board. Then here, the tableau, the boards. Un cadeau, a gift. The cadeau, the gifts. Un drapeau, a flag. The drapeau, the flags. And so with this, dear friends, dear viewers, we are bringing our class to an end, and I hope you enjoyed our class today. Hoping to see you again in our next class. But to enjoy more of our video, why not subscribe and share with your friends and loved ones. Also remember that we do some kind of translations of music from English to French. So if you're interested, why not get a number from the screen as you watch and get in touch with us as we negotiate more with you. God bless you. Au revoir.